The sky turned gray, and all the animals ran away. But Benny stood with a steady heart. He wouldn't let the fun go. He said to the birds, "It's just a storm. Stay close to my castle and you'll be warm." He welcomed the mice and the worms and all, even a snail that felt quite small. They all clung tightly together and waited for the terrible night. The thunder roared, the raindrops fell, but Benny's brave heart made everything right. When morning came and the sky was blue, they cheered and shouted, "Hip hooray!" From that day on, all creatures knew that Bunny Rabbit had a true heart. Not just a rabbit filled with joy, but one who overcame fear. So if you pass by Daisy Hill and see a rabbit standing still, just wave hello and say proudly, "Brave Bunny Rabbit, far and wide."
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ilmi Noor.